How to check Google downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome browser on your phone. The Google Chrome app on iPhone allows users to browse the web, manage tabs, search the web, and synchronize settings across devices. Additionally, users can make Chrome their default browser on iPhone, which enables syncing Google account data like bookmarks and passwords across devices. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, swipe left on the icons and tap on Downloads. You will then be taken to the folder where all the downloads are saved, in the Files app. You can view all your Google downloads over here. Tap on any file to open it. Following these steps, you can easily check Google downloads on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.